would you use your voice to help communities recover from recent earthquakes, typhoons, and other natural disasters?
Thank you so much. For years, our country struggled from disasters and poverty. I want to use my voice right now to tell everybody, every countryman of the Philippines, that Filipino resilience is not enough just for us to survive. I am standing here tonight, standing for the truth that each and every one of us deserve a good governance. We must fight together with courage and hope, katarungan para sa lahat ng Pilipinong nagdurusa, katarungan para sa lahat ng mga Pilipinong nawalan ng tahanan. Tayo, Pinoy, malakas, matapang, lalaban. Maraming salamat.